This lesson is a jam-packed lesson. Stay tuned. I got a lot in store for you.
Something that's good for me.
Okay guys, before we begin, I want you to go ahead and like and subscribe to the video. This lesson is jam-packed. What I'm about to show you guys is deep. Also, remember, go to KompaKeyboardSchool.com if you need Kompa sounds or Kompa lessons. Let's get started. So guys, what key are we in? C. As you know, it's all white keys. And what is our chord progression? C, G, A, F. So 1, your first note, your 5 is the 5th note, your 6, and your 4. So it's a 1, 5, 6, 4. It's a C, G, A, F. What I want to show you guys is a technique that a lot of famous keyboardists use to show off, to look good, to add color to their solos. And what is that technique? This is what I call it the slide. Because you're sliding fast. So guys, look, if you're on the key of C, instead of doing this solo, or you can move fast from the 3rd note to the 1st note. E, D, C, E, D, C. The faster you can do it, the better. So that's how I started my solo. And after I do that slide, I like to walk. So guys, that technique will change your whole way of playing kompa. If you're not doing that fast slide, then you're not really soloing like the pros. And then when I go to the G, I do the same thing. Then I do the same thing on the C again. And the same thing on the F. But on the F, I use this inversion of F. So guys, learn to implement slides in your kompa playing. If you're not using these slides, you're not really playing kompa. Different versions of it. I'm gonna play different tracks so you guys can see how the slide fits in almost every song. That technique will have you looking real good when you're playing kompa, guys. So let's play the beat and implement some slides and different solos. I'm playing around, guys. Look, remember, guys, go to KompaKeyboardSchool.com if you need sounds, if you need lessons. I'm gonna let this backing track play throughout the rest of the video. I want you guys to practice these slides for yourself. Now, all it is this: is walking down fast from your 3rd to the 1st note. You guys get the idea. This is Roland Blazay signing out.